Hi teacher and classmates, this is Heiderman and this is the section report and improve. Over 400 people visited our library last month. Well, let's go. Staff at the sports center are not available between 3 and 4 p.m. Candidates should select one question only from each topic area. Go. All new students have to be registered with Mr. Clark by the end of Friday. Provided that all equipment has been collected and stored, students may leave the classroom. What type of company do the majority of IT students work in after finishing their degree? Despite some initial misgivings, the new laboratory has proved itself to be an excellent facility. Environmentalists agree that the continued use of private vehicles will result in worsening air pollution. It was a little difficult. Let's go to the feedback. Alright. Right, almost. Well, the last time it took a lot of time. Alright, let's go. It's loading. Let's go to the feedback. Alright. Alright, teacher. I don't know why it takes more than the normal. I have recorded this this video like 2 times for the same team. It takes like 2 minutes to complete and give me the feedback, but I don't know why. In the activity before this, it took it was faster. It was really fast. I don't know what's going on. Maybe my internet. I don't know why. Start thinking until we completed. And if I click on answer more questions, it's going to take the same time. Come on. I don't know what's going on, teacher. So sorry for this time, for this situation, but always is taking the same time to give me the feedback. Don't know what is the situation. Click on this. For this. Coming soon. My score. This one. This one. I don't know what's going on. It's like loading and loading and loading and loading. So sorry for that.
Okay.
Sorry for that. So let me load again this here. Well, teacher, I'm going to complete the video because it took more than the normal.